This week, I want to help you fill up your year with reliable, easy work. I'm John Paul Fischbach. I'm the CEO and Chief Alchemist here at the Auspicious Arts Incubator. You know, it's really exhausting as an independent artist to continually look for opportunity after opportunity, gig after gig. You know, I kind of have a image of us as independent artists that we're kind of trained to be opportunity heat-seeking missiles, right? We pop our head up and we look around for an opportunity, and you know, we're really good at scanning. We see an opportunity and we go for it, right? Well, now it's time to leverage all those opportunities that you had last year and be a much better, smarter, creative entrepreneur. I want you to create opportunities, not just seize them. So here's how, right? People who work with us in our advanced program say that the biggest relief is to know where their money is coming from for the next year or maybe the next 3 years, because we teach you how to create opportunities, how to take charge of your workflow. You can't just sit at home waiting for the phone to ring with the next opportunity. You're a successful artist. You have people that bought you and bought your art. So I invite you to figure out what it was that they needed and how you met their needs, and then go create an opportunity to meet the same need for someone else. So here's 2 ways to start to do this. Look back over the past year. Number 1, what can you replicate? Right? What can you repeat? What was so successful that you could easily just do it again? Okay? How can you serve more people with the same product or service? The question you have to answer is, why did someone buy it? Or why did someone buy you to do it? Right? What need of theirs did you meet? The second thing, again, looking at last year, who were your best customers last year? What need of theirs did you meet? And are there others with the same need? So this year is going to be better if you create opportunities, not just seize opportunities. The most successful businesses are the ones that serve the most customers. So how can you serve more? So this week, just examine last year or the last couple of years. Who else needs you to do what you did? What else do your best customers need from you? Right? It feels better to be in control of the opportunities to earn more from your art and your creativity than to wait around for the next opportunity. It's in your history. Just go figure it out. Okay, we'll see you next week. I dig into this a little bit deeper in the ASAP program. You might want to check that out. Okay.